Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can download and install the CoinEx mobile application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Go ahead and bring up the search box and then type in CoinEx. After you do that, make a search for it and then you will see the CoinEx Buy Meme Coin and Crypto application displayed on the screen. Tap on Install to begin the installation process. It will take a few minutes for the app to install on your device. The CoinEx app is a mobile application that allows you to manage your CoinEx account, trade cryptocurrencies, monitor your assets, and more. You can do it all from your mobile device. Simply download the app and wait for it to install, and once it is done, you can open the app on your mobile device. So that is how you can easily download and install the CoinEx application on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.